Why do 90% of beginners struggle with creative projects? Because they haven't discovered these tools yet. First up, meet Canva. This user-friendly platform lets you whip up eye-catching graphics in a flash, with loads of templates for anything from Instagram stories to business presentations. Moving on to Trello. Imagine your entire workflow, neatly organized on a virtual board. Trello's simple drag-and-drop interface makes managing projects feel like a breeze, helping you stay on top of all your creative endeavors. Now let's talk about Grammarly. Ever felt unsure about commas, semicolons, or spelling in your writing? Worry no more. Grammarly scans your text for errors and gives you real-time suggestions. It's like having a proofreader in your pocket. Next, we dive into GIMP. This powerful tool offers many of the same features as Photoshop, but at a price you can't beat. Free. It's perfect for photo editing or creating complex digital art. Last but not least, Audacity. Whether you're editing a podcast or mixing your latest track, Audacity offers robust tools to make your audio projects sound professional. So, there you have it, 5 amazing tools to unlock your creative potential. All easy to use and best of all, completely free. Start exploring today and transform your creative projects.